Project financing is the process of funding a project's development and operations. It plays a vital role in project management because it determines the success or failure of the project. The three stages of project financing are pre-construction, construction, and operations, and maintenance. Each stage requires different types of financing and poses unique risks and challenges to project managers. Project finance examples include infrastructure projects such as highways, airports, and power plants. These projects require significant capital investment and have long-term revenue streams. The most common methods of financing a project are equity financing, debt financing, and hybrid financing. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages and suits different types of projects. Project finance is crucial for project success because it ensures the project's financial viability and minimizes risks. It's vital to have a thorough understanding of project finance to make informed decisions and achieve project goals. So, there you have it, the basics of project financing in project management. Remember, effective project financing is critical to project success, so choose your financing method wisely.